Thursday, the 8th of April, 2021. And we have about 30 of us over here in the room. And we have at least another 60 people who are watching us on Facebook right now. A warm welcome to all the guys who are watching us on Facebook. And let's have some fun today. Yes? No? Yes. Woo! A lot of people did not nominate themselves, which was very, very sad, I thought. I mean, it's so simple for the guys who had no opposition, okay, to come up and be a part of the EC. Do you agree with that? Event manager हूँ तो मैं बोल दूँगा, you require balls of steel to come and stand for a position like this, right? क्या बोलते हो Sandy? Thank you. So we have had a lot of steel over here, at least 12 of them who came and stood for the election. But okay, let's move on. Very, very emotional moment for me today. It is 2.5 years since this association has been running. Lots of ups, and a few downs. But that's a part of any process, I presume, right? You cannot have it good all the time. You have to have some bads for you to recognize the good. And that's the only way it works. So I'm going to run you guys through a little journey, and I hope this one works, on how KEMA actually came about, yeah? So let's see whether this works. No, it doesn't. Vivek, you want to help me on that? Okay, while the presentation still comes up, like I said, this is a very, very emotional moment for me for sure, and I'm sure for this great gentleman called Sanjeev Kapoor. A big round of applause for him, yeah. Utho, sir! So this is Sanjeev Kapoor. Everybody knows this guy.
कल कोई मुझको याद करे, क्यों कोई मुझको याद करे, मसरूफ जमाना मेरे लिए, क्यों वक्त अपना बर्बाद करे. इमोशनल. सो ये न्यू ईसी आ रही है, इसी पे ही हमको अपना वक्त लगाना है सर. हम तो अपना वक्त लगा चुके.
Thank you, Sanjeev, and I'm going to call you back. You're already getting me all teary-eyed and all of that. But yes, 8th of April 2021, and hopefully the clicker works. It does. 2010, and I'm going to go back into time, okay, is when Sanjeev came up to me and said, hey, Arvind, let's start an association. And he says, let's start an association. And I said, hey, that's a fantastic idea, but really I have a lot of So I say to him, I have a lot of issues of my own, right? 2010 was perhaps worse than 2020 for me personally in business and everything else. And I said, I'm not ready for this one, okay? So he said, yeah, we will do this together someday, whenever you're ready. But we are clear about one thing, that we will do this together. So it would be Sanjeev Kapoor and Arvind Sabhani who will do this and set up something called KEMA whenever we are ready. And thank you, Sanjeev, for having the patience. 8 years he waited. And 8 years later, we came together. We had a very interesting guy with us called Lokesh, who came in at that point of time in 2018. All said and done, we have some ups, we have some downs. Lokesh was an up, not a down. And I must say that to you all right now, yeah? The kind of ideas that Lokesh came up with, okay, to further KEMA was absolutely amazing. But unfortunately, we are human beings and we come with our own baggages, right? So some baggages don't suit somebody, and unfortunately, and I'm saying unfortunately, and I really wish Lokesh was here in our midst today. Miss you, Lokesh. I hope you're watching, yeah? And thank you for all the support that you gave and set up this association along with Sanjeev and myself. So 2018 is when we decided, let's do this. A lot of you were there. at that point of time. Lot of you were there. We met one morning at 7 o'clock, thanks to Lokesh, at a chai point, है ना? At Alsur. There was just one other guy called Sharat Amin over there. Sharat, where are you? There's Sharat. Big round of applause for him. Yeah? So Sharat Amin was there, Sanjeev was there, Lokesh was there, I was there, and there was one more gentleman who I don't remember really. I think it was Ashwin, okay? And then they said, hey, let's do this. I said, 4 people, we are going to set up an association. संजीव ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है यार, नहीं होने वाला है, ये 4 लोगों के साथ हम करेंगे क्या यार, कैसा होगा? It's going to be very, very difficult. He says, Arvind, आप हो, मैं हूँ, हो जाएगा. That is Sanjeev Kapoor. A big round of applause. I love this man. Okay? I fought with him, but I'll come to that a little later. Yeah? Because if you don't fight with the people that you love, you will never know how much you really love them. And I believe in this, right? So here you are, 2018. Amit, I'm doing well, na? Clap for me, dude. So, 2018, we came up with the idea, and this doesn't work again. Okay. Too many slides, yeah. Okay. So, 22nd Jan, 2018, we called up for a meeting in Bowring. A lot of you were there in that Bowring meetings. We had about 4 or 5 meetings in Bowring. And that gave us a lot of confidence, Sanjeev and myself. We said that, hey, there were 30 people, 25 people, 35 people who came for these meetings. What do they want out of this association is something that needed to be established very clearly. Why will people pay some money, 2,000, 5,000, 15,000, 20,000, whatever it may be, to become a member of an association? So we spoke with everybody, and I'm sure, Sandy, you were there. A lot of you were there, okay? Mahendra sir were, of course, there, okay? And we said that let's try and understand what is the agenda for this association. I'm going to come to the agenda much later, but what else happened, right? 30 odd people. 30 people was a lot of people, let me tell you. From 2 or 3 to 20 to 30 people was a lot of people. We were very confident कि ये 30 को हम 300 बनाएंगे. Yeah? Sandy, ताली वाली मारो यार. Yeah? So, हो जाएगा यार. कुछ भी करके ये 300 लोग हो जाएगा. Okay? हो भी जाता, लेकिन संजीव और हमारे भी बीच में झगड़ा हो गया तो थोड़ा हम मिसफायर हो गए. बट द नेक्स्ट ईसी विल डू दैट, आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट. या ये क्या हो रहा है यार, ये क्या हो रहा है? दिस वॉज द डे EMAC was born. EMAC. Out of all the people who put up their hands in Bowring, 10 people came for a meeting to JW Marriott. Okay, who said that we want to be a part of growing this entire thing. The 11th person is our president-elect, who called me from Delhi. He was on an event. And he said, Arvind, I need to be there on this call because जो आप कहोगे मैं करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I said, yeah, this is like sorted. 11 positions, 11 people. We didn't have to say no to anybody. Okay? So everybody who became a member of the EC was not elected, was just there because they wanted to be there. And we need to understand, a big round of applause for all these 11 people. Yeah? So, membership opened. This is moving on its own. Membership opened on 23rd of January. And before we knew it, we were 51 members, or 59 members by April. 59 members, we said, yeah, 300 ka to mark hoega hi hoega. $12,000, 59 companies paid. And by October of the same year, I think, okay, we made it $15,000 and 21 more companies joined. Okay, and we are now in 2019. 80 companies, October 2019. That is what the EC, 11 people minus Lokesh, 10 people of the EC did. It was a total joint effort, okay? A lot of people made a lot of calls, and a lot of you are here because of one of those 10 people, yeah? So, next slide. Vivek, please. I can't do it from here. What all did we do over the years, okay? We had 23 meetings every month. That means 23 months. Let's have a look at some of the people. Rashid Seth, Senior Vice President, George P. Johnson, Asia Pac, right? He came in, we did an MSME conference after that, okay? What did we do next? Vivek. Then we had this great fam trip to Miraya Greens. बहुत दारू पिए यार, बहुत दारू पिए हम लोग, okay? We had lot to drink. और अनीता बोलती है हम नाचे भी, हाँ? मतलब अनीता जी बोल रही है हम नाचे. The only lady member of this AC. Big round of applause for her, yeah? I mean, we had a blast. We stayed there for a night or 2 nights, I don't even remember. One night, yeah? And it was like absolutely crazy. We had Sanjeev Kapoor and Kartik Gowda who love each other so much. Kartik, come here and give a hug to Sanjeev right now. Yeah? Right now. Yeah. Woo-hoo! These guys, you know, great friends, great buddies, but I tell you, we love to fight, yeah. We just love to fight, and I think this is what has kept us together, okay? The love of finding faults in each other. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, you're president, is it? What have you done till now? That's Kartik Gowda. Sanjeev says, Kartik, how many meetings have you attended till now that you have the right to talk to me? These are the kind of things that happen in our EC, and we are here together today. Big round of applause. Right? What else? Vivek, let's move, please. I'm sorry. So, what else? We did a lot of stuff. We met with ESA while they were still getting formed. Okay? ESA is the, what is ESA? Event Equipment Suppliers Association. Okay, we met up with these guys and we tried to do a tie-up with them. We still have a huge document which Sanjeev and me have not yet signed, but we will someday. Or maybe Mr. Singla is going to take that over along with the rest of the crowd. Yeah? What else? Venkat Vardhan, who is our... Clap, clap, clap. Yeah. I mean, the legends in the country of event management have come for KEMA meetings. Venkat sir also happens to be the honorary chairman of KEMA. Unfortunately, could not be here today, sends his regrets. He is in Chennai for the, right? IPL is important, right? So he's there today. We had Roshan Abbas. I mean, if I may say this, how many of us, you, would have ever met Roshan Abbas in their life if it wasn't for KEMA? Roshan came, he was with us, we spoke so much with him, we drank with him, more important, and we rubbed shoulders with a guy called Roshan Abbas. I mean, what else can a KEMA achieve for you, right? What else did we do? Khushru Kekobad, okay, I mean, this guy is the health and safety expert in the country, okay? He came over, he spoke to us. We had Gurna, Major KJS Gurna, who was here also for one of our meetings. I remember that was in that swimming pool, Royal Orchid, right? Which was another great meeting. What else? Samit Garg. Samit Garg. Again, another guy, okay, these are guys who run EMA today. Roshan, Samit, okay, Sabas we could not call, Brian Tellis. These are guys who were there in the pipeline, but luckily or unluckily our friend COVID hit us, okay. But these are guys who were there in the pipeline and they will come to KEMA, I will promise you that. for sure, okay, they will come and be a part of the KEMA members, right? So these are the kind of people who came. Let's quickly move on. I think I'm speaking too much. I'm getting a little emotional also. We had psychologists. We had a psychiatrist, Dr. Kalyan Sundaram, who came and spoke to us about Pagal mat banna is time mein, there is hope yet. Let's try and hold on to the whole thing, right? We had Priya Khosla, who's not here today. Priya, hi, I'm sure you're watching this on Facebook. There you are. So there's Priya Khosla watching us on Facebook, and she gave us an entire thing on presentation skills. Amazing lady. Move on. What else? We had Hari Om Seth, perhaps, with due respects to a few of my friends here, perhaps the guy who does, or maybe the guy who first came up with the idea of virtual events in this country. Okay? Hari Om has been doing this forever, and he came over and spoke with us. I think, thank you, Pradeep, for that one. Yeah? Big round of applause for Pradeep. He pulled this one off really, really well, right? And then Mr. Balji himself. Okay, I called up Mr. Balji and I said, sir, we want some of your guys, one of your general managers to come and, speak to our fraternity. He says, Arvind, मैं खुद आऊँगा यार. KEMA है, हमारा है. Okay, and Sanjeev was there, and it was like amazing that Mr. Balji himself came and he said he has to address KEMA. What else? What else? Yeah, this was done totally by Sharat Amin. Dil se dil tak fraternity talk. We all spoke, we fought, we did a lot of stuff at that point of time. Yeah, and then last but not the least, we had Kartik Gowda, who organized the journey of Indian motorsport. We had Aravind, my namesake, who was there, who's today in Big Boss, and he's become a very big guy. Very difficult to meet him. I hope some of us took his autograph at that point of time, because that guy may not walk into a fraternity like this again. So that is the story of what all we tried to do, okay? And this is the fun bit. So now let's move on and understand what else did the EC really do in terms of work, right? So many more to come. Congratulations to Amit and the team that's going to be coming in, right? In between all this, please check all your emails. All of you have got an email. Okay, take some time off. It'll take you less than a minute. Go and vote. There are 7 questions there. I'm going to come to those questions in a bit in case you want to hold on. Voting is open till 6 o'clock. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो reality show में ना? The voting lines are open till 6 o'clock. Please vote for me. I'm not there, unfortunately. So, yeah. So my code is blah, blah. But yeah, it doesn't work that way. So, this is the team. Sanjeev Kapoor. Big round of applause. If anybody in this world is able to jhelo Arvind Sabhani, big round of applause for him. क्या बोलते हो सर? थोड़ा बीच में टुटका हो गया था, लेकिन क्या बात है, की फर्क पैंदा है. Shrikant Kanoy, we found this gem on the 22nd. We found this gem, and I must say this. Stand up, Shrikant. Okay, we found this guy, and I said to myself, hey, this is a guy who can really take KEMA forward. And I really believe that at that point of time, still do, right? And myself, the whole world knows me, I hope, yeah? Then we had a few very interesting people. Amit Singla, he's the guy who calls me from Delhi. He says, Arvind, कोई भी position दे देना, लेकिन मेरे को ये करने का है. Okay? And there is Amit Singla, President-elect right now. Thank you, Amit. Anita Makhria, lots of stories here. I am not going to get into that. Lots of stories with Anita. We started off on a wrong foot. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. We started off on a wrong foot. We used to fight. Crazy. I would tell Sanjeev, ये क्या है, ये नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, ये treasurer. संजीव ने बोला, यार अरविंद 2 महीने और मैं मदद करता हूँ, 2 महीने और फिर आप बोलना कि अनीता नहीं चाहिए. And this is the truth. See, the problem with me, and that's why I get myself into trouble, and I love me more than I love anybody else, is I speak it. Yeah? And these 2 gentlemen, Sanjeev and Amit, said, Arvind, 2 months. Just give us 2 months. If you're not happy after 2 months, then whatever you say. I love this lady. She's the best, okay? There's no doubt about that. You know, what she has done with the money game, I tell you, the EC is just about changing. And I'm not even going to look or point fingers at people. Money has not got spent, okay? You have a simple calculation, guys. 59 into 12,000 plus 21 into 15,000. Kitna hua, Sandy? Okay, approximately 12 lakhs. Okay? Approximately 12 lakhs. 2.5 years later, there is still 9 lakhs in the account. You cannot beat that. Okay? You cannot beat that. This lady, of course, she had a lot of support from a guy called Sanjeev Kapoor, who till today doesn't allow us to spend any money. Okay? He is so clear. He says, तुम लोग बाहर जाओ, दारू पियो, अरविंद तू तो सबसे दारू पिलवाएगा, हाँ? लेकिन केमा से पैसा नहीं लेगा. ओके? अभी हम जाके दारू पी के आए. बिल दे के आए यार. On his credit card, yes. Most important, okay? And Karthik Gowda says, no, it was my credit card. Next round on Sanjeev, order the booze, Karthik. Yeah, 4 drinks cost $8,500 in your Leela. Yeah? Okay, so Anita Makriya, then we have Pradeep Nayak. Every single one of our meetings was documented and came out somewhere or the other. Sumne Karthik. So, every single one, Pradeep, stand up, dude. This guy, we are there in the press, we are there, the people know us, the media know us, all thanks to him. We have Uma Shankar also, who's somewhere around, yeah, who's really supported us and taken care. And believe me, all of this is pro bono. And I want everybody to understand this, that whatever work was done by the previous EC, be it digital, be it website, be it PR, it was all pro bono. Whether Pradeep paid for it or no, I don't know. I don't want to know. I know that it is Pradeep's job to get this done, and he got it done. Thank you, Pradeep. Yeah? Moving on. We have Mr. Bharadwaj. I'll tell you, this guy is another guy I have fought a lot with. Yeah? Yeah, and I told him that I don't like him. Okay, and that's the truth. Yeah, now he says, I love you. You know, on one of those meetings, if you guys remember, he says, cross your heart, Arvind, that you're not fucking lying. Okay? Yeah? I love you too, Vivek. Yeah, and that's the only reason why we are here. Okay? And if I don't talk the way I do, it is not going to work, right? Yeah? Thank you so much for understanding that. And that is Vivek Bharadwaj, membership drives, going out of the city, trying to organize stuff, getting members. He got us, I think, about a data of about 70, 80 people who are now in another group, okay, of KEMA, waiting to come in and become members. That's Vivek. Big round of applause for him. Vijay Sundar Murthy, another guy that I don't like, okay? I mean, I hate. Not don't like, but I hate. Where is he? Last night we kissed and made up. We said before today we better kiss and make up. Okay? But I'll tell you one thing, guys. If Vijay and me didn't fight, and I'll say this for everybody sitting here, KEMA wouldn't have been where it is. Because I would accuse him of stuff, he would accuse me of stuff, and all this was very internal. Today it's out in the public, because I want everybody to know that the problems within the EC, the only mistake this EC made was to take it to the GB, but that's also okay, because it's happened, okay? We had a lot of issues. It is these issues that helped KEMA go forward. Taliyan. क्या बोलते हो सर? ठीक कर रहा हूँ ना? Okay, thank you. So So that is what it is. Because if there is no friction between people, if everybody says, hey, Arvind, you're right, or hey, Sanjeev, you're right, okay, then it becomes a one-man show, right? As it is, it looks like a one-man show, which it isn't. Right? Okay? Mansa, laugh loudly here. Then we have Sharat Amin. Okay, now Sharat tells me today in the morning and last night also, he says, Arvind, yaar, mera position kya hai isi mein? Huh? What the fuck am I doing here? I don't know. I'm like the joker in the pack, right? Anywhere you need me, you throw me there, and then you tell me that, hey, what is your responsibility? What have you done? Because last night in an EC group, I asked him, in 2 years, what have you done? I love this guy. You have to know this. I don't hate him. I love him. But I had to ask him, in 2 years, what have you done for this EC that you're talking today in the EC? Did I ask you this? And what was your reply?
He was most of he was there.
He,
And if I can add, with nothing else, more than anything else, he kept all of us together. Yes.
there you are. Big round of applause for Sharat. Last but not the least, okay, and this is the guy I love, and the world knows that, is Karthik Gowda. Yeah? We decided at 7:30 last night not to have this meeting. And I want everybody to know that. Everybody was skewed towards saying, nahi karne ka hai, bahut locha hai, kema hai, koi aa jayega, nahi aayega. So out of 10 members, 9 members said that we will have the meeting. Karthik Gowda said, no, we will not have the meeting. You got to give a big round of applause to him that he is sitting here today. And you must know why he is sitting here today. And this is very important for everybody to know. Because among all of us, I believe, I may be wrong, that he is the only guy, if somebody walks in through that door right now, he will handle it. Round of applause. Whether it is the COP or the BBMP or the Falana or the Tikana. He's sitting there only for that reason. And I requested him, and I said, Karthik, I know you don't want this meeting to happen, but please come and sit near the door, and that's exactly what he's doing. This, ladies and gentlemen, has been the EC that ran KEMA for 2.5 years, did a superb job, I think so, had a few fuck-ups, but what the hell? That's the story of life. Yeah? Yes, I think we are done. We have a lot of committees. You will see my name right on top in a lot of the committees simply because I didn't know whose name to put. So my name is there. Thank you, Nitro. And that's, he put my name there. It's just my name, but I didn't do nothing. I must say this. We had so many committees. We had the Karnataka Incubation Committee, where all these guys, Rajesh, who is our chartered accountant, is a part of it. We have a lot of people there. Anybody wanted any help at that point of time in terms of accounts, legal, etc. There's a whole panel of people behind KEMA who are ready to help. Obviously at a cost, yeah? But the cost is well broken down, I think, to 1/3 of what you would have paid any other normal person, right? Next. We have Employee Relationship Committee, which Mr. Ashish Daga, where is this president, vice president-elect? Where is he? Where is he? There. This is going to be a gem in the next EC. I know this. I have a lot of respect for this man, the kind of work that Ashish Daga can do and is going to do in the next EC over the next 2 years. Welcome, Ashish, and thank you so much. Yeah, so maybe it HR and so many things that he has done. Yeah, next. Partnership Management Committee. The amount of data between Shrikant and Ashish, and I think Tony and a lot of people, okay? Tony being an integral part of this entire thing. Today, vying for a position, let's let the best man win, Tony. Yeah, let the best man win, for sure. And whoever wins or loses, and this is what I spoke to the 6 people, that is the 3 positions into 2 people each, and I spoke to 6 people just before this meeting, and I said to them, it doesn't matter who wins. Because somebody, when we were young, somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. That's the bullshit of life. But let's not get too much politics into this whole game. Please, let's not try and get too much politics into this whole game, because we're here only for one reason. KEMA. There is no other reason. I am standing here on a Thursday afternoon after having a couple of Jack Daniels and talking to you guys. And paying for it. In a 5-star. It's expensive. Okay, so that's what we did. Next, venue management. Again, Srikanth, again back to Ashish. The data that has been collected today by KEMA, it's humongous. The next EC, I request you, all you need to do is to get all this data together, assimilate it, and put it out, make an app, make a website. Do what you want. That's your call now, right? We have had so many ideas in the past, okay? Some of them that we implemented, some of them, there wasn't enough time, right? There's so much that can be done. The kind of data that is available of DJs, VJs, RJs, venue guys, decor people, sound people. It's crazy. I myself didn't imagine that in Bangalore there were so many people who could be a part of KEMA, yeah? Next. Membership drive. Again, my name, but Mr. Bharadwaj was the guy who's behind the membership drive. Lot of work done by Vivek on this one, yeah? And most interesting, the KEMA Awards and Convention. There's a document ready, And as event managers, we understand that everything works only on a document. There is a document ready. Somebody has to just press that button, and that KEMA award will happen. All thanks to Amit Singla. Big round of applause for him. Yeah? And it's all set, okay? Button dabao, 6 months max. And we'll have KEMA awards. And believe me, people, we will beat every other event award ceremony in the country. Woo! So that... Prakash Vaswani, of course, how could I forget that? Sorry, Prakash. Yeah, there you are. Great. So apart from that, there are so many little ideas that are also there. Sports committee, membership meet, socializing meet. For me, this is also a social meet only, right? Where's the business in this? Okay. So here we are, people. Warm welcome to the last and final GB meeting of the current executive committee of KEMA. Voting is open. We are going to circulate all these little documents, which are there on an email that I sent to you about 2 months ago. Have a look at it. There are 7 points that you need to look into. And I'm going to quickly read out these 7 points once. Yeah? So that for the people who have not voted, let's have a look at it one more time. Now at least you have a printout, Anita. 2.5 साल हो गया, printout नहीं लाई आप. So these are the various resolutions that had happened, okay, that we needed to, that you guys are voting for today. Point 1 to 4 is those points, and the other 3 are the voting actually. The first one is to elect the members of the Executive Committee for the financial year 2021. Yeah, special business. The election will be held and the selection of 11 Executive Committee members. To amend the clause 5.1, here is an interesting thing. Ashish Daga is not very happy with this point, I know that, which said that we earlier said that we require 50% of the members. Sandy, when I speak, I like, the problem with me is that I'm also a fucking teacher, right? When you look at a classroom, if somebody is talking, I can't handle it. I'm really sorry for that one. Okay, so 51% of the members need to vote to change anything in the constitution of Kema. We tried to do this, I don't know how many of you remember, about 6 months ago, and only 23 members came onto a Zoom call. Okay? And at that point of time, our company secretary, Nandan Shanbag, recommended, why don't we make it 10%? He asked me, I said, yeah, मेरा क्या जाता है यार 10% हो 20% हो but Ashish Daga here says that he's not very happy with that. He wants it to be a minimum of 33%, but that can be resolved by the next EC. So at this point of time we will see the vote, and if that has got approved to 10%, if it hasn't got approved, it will remain at whatever percent, 51% that it was, and we move on from there. Yeah, so that is insofar as the quorum is concerned. And then comes a tricky one that Arvind and Sanjeev are co-founders that we are, that nobody can take away from us. Okay? Somebody said that, I think it was Amit Singla. He says, why don't you put one clause who says that you don't pay any more membership? Sanjeev bolta hai, yaar, ye membership ke paise de denge hum, yaar, ki farak panda hai? Okay, but anyway, that was mooted by Amit Singla. Thank you so much, Amit. And so in case you think that we can save a little 10, 20,000 bucks a year, we are happy to do that. Yeah, so that is on that. Yes, Anand. So I'm going to cut you short. I'm really sorry, Anand. So this is, I'm playing by the book. The book is in front of you. You can either approve or don't approve. Now, if you approve, and if today this goes through, it will become 10%. We will know this answer by 6 o'clock. In case it doesn't go through, then when the next EC comes, they can have another discussion on that. Am I right, Nandan? Yeah? You want to add on something to this? 1 second, Anand. You would like to clarify. You'll have to stand up and take the mic. I can't jump.
See, I think on this issue, we discussed a lot, okay? And Arvind was the first person who didn't want to change it in the first instance, okay? Here the resolution, if you see it, only says the attendance in the meeting is 10%, okay? So for any alteration or any amendment that is going to happen, only 10% voting will not help. Okay, so what happens is, in even big companies under the company law, there is no law where it says 50% members should be present in the meeting, which is very, very, practically impossible. So what we are saying in this resolution is, for conducting the meeting, if 10% members are available, that is sufficient to conduct the meeting. We are not saying that other 90% shouldn't come to meeting. Okay, so that is one thing I just wanted to clarify. And this will not haunt you in future. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Nandan. Can you tell me how many people on the Facebook Live? I'd like to close that for a little while. Can we put off the live for a little time, please? Vivek, can you look into that? Let's put that Facebook Live off for a while. Yeah? Okay, thank you. So, yes, Anand. So, what Nandan said, and I will just repeat that, okay, and Nandan, please tell me if I got that right. Right now, we have about 30 members here, which is more than 10%. Okay, but it is not 51%. So we wanted to make this quorum into 10%. The voting Vice President Shrikant Kanoy, who's going to come over and not take as much time as I did. Facebook Live on.
Hi guys, thank you very much for the last. Rainy, Vidhi, Vithi. I came, I saw, we conquered. It was in December 2018 when I got a call from Vivek Bhardwaj telling me about this group of like-minded individuals meeting at the Boring Club. What he said sounded interesting. Being a part of many associations and experiencing the benefits of being together, I thought, why not? Nothing to lose. So I went ahead that afternoon and met many of the motley crowd of approximately 25 for the first time. That chance meeting for me was beginning of something very beautiful and heartwarming. Over a period, I met all of you, wherein some I had to cajole and some I had to pester to join KEMA. But that is all right, because deep down, I knew all of us would be winners. And time did not prove me wrong. Very soon came the time to don responsibilities. And I threw in my hat with a promise to perform and be an able aid to our President, Sir, Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor. Whether I lived up to my role, I would know before the day ends. मशहूर होने की ख्वाहिश नहीं है हमें. मशहूर होने की ख्वाहिश नहीं है हमें. आप हमें पहचानते हैं, बस इतना ही काफी है. Soon we were a group of 10 holding on to various roles and responsibilities with a promise to ourselves and to the members in front of us that we would perform to the best of our abilities and we will serve as a living example of our association's philosophies and beliefs. And may I have the pleasure to toast and roast a few of them.